According to the received information, the sandstorm together with the strong wind worsened the visibility in the district. For this reason, the highways were closed to traffic for some time. After the sandstorm subsided, the highways were reopened to traffic in a controlled manner. A written statement issued by the Konya Police Department said that the onset of rain had suppressed the dust and therefore the sandstorm had ended and motorists were asked to be careful against strong winds. Dust cloud and strong storm was effective in Kanamana district, which is 27 kilometers from Kulu district. The dust cloud, which occasionally increased its effect and turned into a storm, caused poor visibility and poor air quality. Citizens who saw the cloud of dust clung to their mobile phone cameras and filmed the moment. In the district center, together with the wind, thunderstorms and precipitation occur in places. The strong winds that swept across parts of the country since lunchtime yesterday were also in Konya. If the wind was felt in the center, then there was a sandstorm on the district and ring roads. To ensure road safety, the regional traffic inspection teams of the Konya Provincial Police Department closed some roads to traffic for preventive purposes.